So what's up guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and hope you are doing well. So today I will show you that how you can install Windows 11 on your PC. So I will show you the official method. So if you still didn't receive the Windows 11 update, then don't worry, I will show you how you can install the Windows 11. So before getting started, I would also suggest you to enable the TPM in your PC. And if you don't know how you can do that, then follow my video in the I button where I have showed that how you can enable the TPM in your device. Okay, so just follow that video and enable the TPM. And before getting started, I would also suggest you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So let's get started, shall we? So at first you need to go to your browser and then you need to just here search for download Windows 11. Okay, and you would find the official link of Microsoft.com. so just go to this link, download Windows 11 Microsoft. So I would also put the link in the description, so don't forget to check that out. So in this link you would find three options. One is Windows 11 installation assistant, another is installation media, and another one is disk image. So we will use the middle option, which is installation media, and for that you would need a pen drive which is at least 8 GB. So just now click on download. Okay, so you can see that we have downloaded this installation media. So now you need to just click on yes. Okay, open it and then you need to just install it. Okay, so here it is saying getting a few things ready. So make sure that you have plugged in your pen drive and also format it. It is a good thing to format the pen drive. Okay, so now you need to click on accept here, and now just wait for a bit. So here you can see the language and edition, it is automatically selected. So you can also untick it and then you can choose your own, or you can just tick this option and click on next. Okay, so now you need to select this option, USB flash drive, and it is saying at least 8 GB. So make sure it is at least 8 GB and then click on next. Okay, so let me just click on next here, and now here you would see that your pen drive would be shown here. And if you don't see your pen drive, then you can also click on refresh drive list. Okay, and then here you can see, if you just click on refresh drive list, you should see your pen drive, and then click on next. Now wait for a bit. Okay, now it is saying downloading Windows 11. So now the download process has started, and it will depend on your internet speed. So I would skip this part to save your time. You don't need to do anything here, just connect your PC with the internet. Okay, now it is saying progress 99%, where we skip this part, and now it is saying your USB flash drive is ready. So now you can just click on finish here. So just let me click on finish, and now you need to just restart your computer. Okay, so we will now restart our computer, and now after restarting your computer, then you need to keep pressing on your BIOS key. So if you don't know your BIOS key, then follow the video in the I button where I have showed you the BIOS key for different devices. Okay, so you need to keep pressing on your BIOS key. So in my case you can see it is delete button. So I have keep pressing on the delete button, and now we are in BIOS. So then you need to go to the boot option in your BIOS. So the interface could be different, but the thing would be same. You need to go to boot, and at the first boot option you need to select your pen drive. Okay, so just let us select the pen drive option here. So now when your PC will boot, it would boot to your pen drive. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have enabled this option. So then after selecting your pen drive as your first boot priority, then you need to just click on save and exit. Okay, you don't need to do anything here, you just click on save and exit. So just let me do that. I need to press yes, and now our PC will boot from our pen drive. So you can see the Windows 11 icon here. So it means we have successfully booting up from our pen drive for the setup process. So if you are seeing something like this, then congratulations, you have completed the first step of the setup. Okay, so now here you can see the language, time and everything. So just select the preferred option and click on next. So just let me click on next here, and now you need to do is click on install now, and now you can see it is saying setup is starting. So this might take a while, so just sit back and relax. So now here you need to put your activation key, and you don't have a product key, then you can just click on I don't have a product key. Okay, so I am clicking I don't have a product key, and then here you need to select the Windows 11 Pro. So we will select the Windows 11 Pro here for the installation. Okay, so then you need to click on next. Now this is a problem I have faced, which is this PC can't run Windows 11. So the thing is, I have enabled the TPM. You can see the video in the I button that I have showed you earlier, but it is still saying this PC cannot run Windows 11. So I will show you how you can bypass this problem. So you may not be able to enable the TPM at all. Maybe your PC don't even support the TPM. So I would show you how you can bypass this TPM and you can successfully install the Windows 11 without any error. Okay, so if you are seeing something like this, don't worry. Okay, so just you need to exit from this setup window, and also if you don't see something like this, if you are seeing that where Windows setup is successfully in the next step, then you can just follow the time step in the screen that I have shown. So if you are seeing something like that, then click on back, and then you need to click on back again. So just let me click on this back option. We need to exit from the setup. Okay, so then we need to also exit from here and click on yes. So now you need to here again restart your computer and download this registry key. I will put the link in the description, and then you need to paste it in your pen drive. So while restarting your computer, make sure that you just unplug your pen drive for a couple of seconds, then restart, and after restarting, then you need to insert it. Okay, so now we will again boot from our pen drive, and now we will just click on next and follow the same procedure I have showed you earlier. So I will just try to do it faster now to save your time, obviously. Okay, so now we would again select on I don't have a product key. So again we will select Windows 11 Pro, and then we would click on next. And now let's see that if we have successfully bypassed it or not. So it is saying this PC cannot run Windows 11. So don't worry. Okay, you need to do a couple of little bit more steps to fix this problem. So what you need to do is you need to click on this back icon. Okay, so in this back icon, now what you need to do is you need to press on Shift and F10 at the same time, and this window will come, and here you need to type Notepad. Okay, so you can see that I am typing Notepad, and then press enter, and a Notepad will open. So now here you need to just click on File. Okay, in this Notepad you need to click on File and click on Open. So now you need to go to this PC, and from this PC, okay, then you need to just select your pen drive here. Okay, so just click on your pen drive, and then here you need to select it all files. Okay, now you would see the bypass. So right click on this registry and then click on here merge, and then click on yes. Okay, and now you can close it. Okay, now you can close everything. You have done what was required to do to bypass the TPM. So now you just click on this next option here. Okay, and you can see that we have successfully bypassed it. So now just click on accept. Then here I would suggest you to go with the second option, install Windows only advanced. So make sure you back up everything, because your C drive would be completely formatted. So I would highly suggest you to back up everything. Okay, so now we'll just click on here, and now you can see all of your disk partition here, and you need to select your C drive or where you want to install your Windows 11. Okay, so just let me select my C drive, which is this one, and now you need to format it. Okay, you need to format your C drive. So I have formatted it, and you can see I have faced a problem, which is Windows can't be installed on this drive. So I would not show the solution here because I have made a video that if you are facing this type of problem, then follow that video in the I button to solve this problem. Okay, this won't happen for everyone, so I will not waste everyone's time. Okay, so follow that video to fix this problem. This is a really simple problem. You need to just delete your partition and then you need to type some commands. So now we would just here restart it again after fixing this problem. Then we will select the same options to save your time. I have skipped the solution part, which you will find in the I button. So now let's select this option again, and you can see the unallocated space. And now we will just create a new partition with this unallocated space. Okay, and click on OK. And now we have created a new partition and click on next, and you can see that it has started copying. So I would now skip this part because it might take a couple of times. So now your PC will restart, and make sure that you take out the pen drive, because if you don't take out the pen drive from your PC, then your setup will again restart and you don't want it. Okay, so now it is saying getting ready. So just wait for a bit and sit back and relax. Okay, because you have done almost everything. Now you need to just follow a couple of setup procedure, and that's all. So you can see the beautiful Windows 11 setup interface. Now you need to select your country here, then click on yes, and then also you need to select your keyboard layout and other things. Okay, so it is saying checking for update. So now your PC might restart, and then you would find this option. Now select on for setup for personal use in my case. So now you would find the option to add a Microsoft account. I will not add a Microsoft account. So if you don't want to add a Microsoft account, then you need to click on sign in options. So here you can see offline account. You can use still the offline account. Okay, so I would just click on here, and now I would say skip for now. Now you need to put a name for your device. So just let me put a name here. So it is saying it should be different from your PC's username. So now I should put another name. So let's put it TechMesh here, and then click on next. And if you don't want to put password here, just click on next. Okay, so now here is the privacy settings. I tend to turn everything off here. You can do if you wish. Okay, then just click on accept. So now you can see that it is saying hi. So we are almost done. Okay, so it is saying getting things ready for you. Now just wait for a bit. Okay, now you can see that we are in our Windows 11. So it is really beautiful, the Windows 11, but the screen resolution is not perfect. So you need to adjust it. Just right click on here and let's go to display settings. And now here we need to just select the maximum resolution that our display support, and you can see that it is looking already really nice. So I will also show you from the properties that it is actually the Windows 11 Pro. So let us go to this PC, and then let me just right click on here and then click on properties. So here you can see the operating system Windows 11 Pro. So that's how you can install or set up Windows 11 on your PC or on your laptop. And I have showed you how you can bypass the TPM, and in another video I have showed you how you can enable the TPM. So that's it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and I'm signing out.